Hello again. Okay, did you able to see my screen, Poke?
Oh, yes, I can see it.
Okay. How about my audio? I am loud and clear. Is it
Yes,
okay, my audio? Okay.
yes, it's good.
Okay, so since we started at 10:36, Poke, is it okay to end this at exactly 11:06 p.m.? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so that the time is still exactly a 1 hour 1 hour session. Okay, so wait for a minute. This one. Okay, so this is our part two of this session. Okay, so can you read this for me, Book?
Okay. How do you usually spend New Year's Day?
Okay, so how do you usually spend New Year's Day? So first, I will share my experiences celebrating New Year's Day. So especially here in the Philippines, at the evening or exactly I think 4 to 5 p.m. Before 4 to 5 p.m. we are
Oh,
already on our home or our house because at the morning we will go to the market. So we go to the market and buy some food to eat at
mm,
the 12 a.m. How about you in your country po? Did you prefer to buy food at the day before the New Year or you prefer to buy 3 days, 4 days before the New Year?
in Vietnam, we have one day off for the New Year.
Mm-hmm.
So actually, the people just say that like a normal Sunday. It's just a day off with a little bit special. So it's depending on the family culture. Maybe they will buy the food or go to um, somewhere to have a short travel um, or stay at home. Yeah, it
Okay.
is
It
yeah.
depends. It depends on the person or
Yes.
the family. Okay. How about
Yeah.
how about um, we said fireworks? Do you buy fireworks as well,
Fireworks.
or you you didn't buy fireworks?
Yes. We have the firework in my city. Yes, because I think just only my city and the other big city because in Vietnam we have two important city, Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City.
Mm,
Yes, I and as I know, just only two cities have the fireworks in New Year. Um, we will care about the Lunar New Year more. Yeah.
but
Um,
on your family, so you
mm,
don't have a firework, so you are going or you are only watching on the fireworks prepared by your city.
yes.
Oh, that's great. So
Mm,
it is safe at the same time it is less expensive, right?
mm,
Because you are not
yes.
going to buy in the market. Okay, so how about in an exactly at 12 a.m. or before 12 a.m. Do you have a party or like parlor games with your cousins, something like
Playing
that?
games. Playing
Playing
games.
playing games like then the reward is money. Because here in the Philippines, we
Mm.
have parlor games. Before before 12 a.m., my cousins and I are
Mm.
gathering on one house. Then we are playing like this parlor
Okay.
game. So this one is
Oh.
like a games in a Christmas party or in an office. Christmas parlor games like this one. I
Oh.
will like this one. I will show you a short parlor games videos. Parlor games video.
Okay.
Because New Year's or Christmas Eves are not joy or are not became more happy without this what we call the parlor games, that just like this one. Hope we can. Okay, I will search it in the YouTube because here in the Philippines we have so many parlor games.
Mm.
So how about in Vietnam? You don't have any parlor games or you don't have any games?
Um, I saw it in the internet. We usually play in the um I don't know what's I can't remember what's called. When you your company
Mm-hmm.
go to travel together. It's called team building. We only
Oh,
play it
like this
in
one.
team building. Yes.
Like with your co-workmate, so you play, right? So that's
Yes.
what you call
This is the
this one.
same. This is the same game.
Oh, like this one.
Yes.
So okay, so this is an example of a parlor games. So do you know
Parlor
what
game.
is what's the game? Do you know what is the game of that I have shown in the video? The name of the game is Sack Race. Hi,
Sacred.
Sack Race. This one
Sacred.
because
Okay.
using the sack, you put your 2 feet on the sack.
Okay.
Then, did you ever try to play this one?
Uh, yes. When I'm still a high school.
Mhm. So did you win? Did you win, Pok? Or did you lose?
No. No.
So you lose. So your the other team or your enemies are much faster than your team. Okay. So that is an example po of parlor game. So every
Mm.
New Year's Eve or Christmas Eves, that is our way of celebrating.
Mm.
Okay, how about this one? So, can you read the first word? This one. Countdown.
Countdown.
So, what is countdown to? What is countdown?
Um, uh, this is the last time of the old year. The
Mhm.
moment changing from old year to new year. We will count from 10 to 1.
10 to
Um,
1.
yes, to
Then,
welcome the new year.
okay, then after, from 3 to 1, then 0, then the fireworks will
Yeah.
appear, right? Did you try that or did
0.
you experience that after the countdown? There is a fireworks.
Yes.
Okay, so my questions are this one. Why do or what do people usually count down for? Aside from Christmas and New Year. What else?
Mm, sorry, I'm not clearly the question.
What else? What I will type it in the chat box. Okay. What other events? What other events?
Okay.
Other events. We usually do countdown aside from New Year and Christmas. How about your birthday po? Did you ever try to do a countdown before your birthday? Like 11, did you not ever tried it?
No,
Here in
I
the
have never cut
here in
out.
the Philippines, especially, I try it so many times. Like, for example, it is already 11:55. So I will play a video in a YouTube for about 5 minutes. Then I will record myself. Then I will buy a one piece of, I think, do you know the small biscuit or a food
Ah,
that look like a cake? Small cake, small
okay.
in a sachet only. Then I will
Ah.
put a small candle above it. Then after it, 3, 2, 1, then I will blow the candle. So just that's also an example of using a countdown. Okay, so now it's your time po. Can you give me a sentence that have the word countdown? So for example, like this one, I will be the first to give an example. We did a countdown to welcome the new year. We did a countdown to welcome the new year. So now it's your time po to use countdown in a sentence.
Hmm. We will count down from 10 to 0 before the fireworks start.
Okay, so we will do countdown. So we will
We
do
will do countdown
countdown from 10 to 0.
10 to 0 before the fireworks
Okay.
start.
Can you give me another sentence, one last sentence, using the word countdown before we proceed?
Hmm.
Countdown.
Hmm. I did count down the days until my birthday.
So you did not use the countdown using 3, 2, 1, 0, but or a seconds, minute, but you use days on counting your birthdays, right? Like 10 days before, 9 days until it became your final day or your birthday.
Hmm.
Okay, so how about this one? Mm, uh, how about the word party?
Party.
Party. Did you try to go party in a New Year's Eve? In a bar,
Yes,
first in a bar,
in
or not?
bar. Not, I have never go
But
to any bar.
in with your family, did you try party,
Yes, I.
getting drunk? So did you try?
uh, yes, I am going to the party with my family, my friends, my coworkers.
Alright, so a party is a
Mm,
fun event, like
yeah.
that all of your families, your friends are gathering to celebrate.
Mm,
You eat,
yes,
play games, then
yes.
especially after we became drunk, we are so very good at dancing, right?
Yes.
Do you dance
Uh,
every time you get drunk?
uh, we um instead of dancing, we prefer karaoke
Mm,
in
so
any party.
so
Yes.
you prefer karaoke, but here in the Philippines, aside of karaoke, while they are singing, they are also dancing. So people here in the Philippines are so crazy.
But I
Okay.
think but I think in Philippines have um everyone is the good singer. I saw the video in YouTube
Mm-hmm.
and saw that how they sing. The voice is very good.
Okay, so I think 8 out of 10 here in the Philippines is a good
Mm,
singer. But
yes.
sad to say, I am the not forgiven one. So I am the two that are not, I am belong to not to the bad singer. So Teacher Ford is not a good singer. Also, I don't also love or know how to dance. So how about you, Puk? Do you in your or you said earlier or before that you prefer karaoke like
Yes.
compared to dancing, right?
Yes.
Okay. So how about this one? Oh, have you ever hosted a party, Puk? Have you ever hosted a party?
Hosting.
Hmm. Like
Uh,
you are the one,
host me?
like you are the one talking in front, hosting a party. Like you are the one hosting the front, started a prayer, an introduction, and facilitating the whole event. Did you ever try?
No. No.
So, did you ever watch a party that has a host in your team building, like the one who managed the games? That's
Hmm.
what we call a host.
Ah, a
Okay,
host.
host.
No, never tried.
Okay, so you
Yeah,
ever
I never tried to be a host.
okay, so soon if your manager or if your company tell that, okay, Mr. Pook, you are the one to have a task to host our team building. Are you ready? Or are you accepted the challenge or not? Would you accept?
I think it's really hard.
Also, it's hard because first, you have to plan what will be the flow of the event. Then second, you have to make a script on what you
Hmm.
have to say. So
Hmm.
also, I have not ever tried to host an event, but in
Oh.
our school, I've tried like a short program. I've tried so many times hosted a program like a dance contest, like introducing the judges, introducing the players, the team. So that's what we call a host or the host of the event. Okay, like this one. Host. 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 So the one who manage host in a party. Did you see my screen?
Yes.
Like this one. Host in a party. Like this one. So, for example, you have a gatherings. Did you see this one?
Yes.
Okay, so when you have your team building, so the one who
Mm,
is holding this paper or this
mm,
card are what we said a host.
okay.
Okay, so soon we can know or we can predict what will happen. Maybe on your next team building, someone said, okay, Mr. Pook, you are the host for today's event. So I pray that you will accept the challenge and for sure you can go with it and you can successfully finish the task. Okay? So
Okay.
soon you will be the next host. Okay. So next, moving on po is the word, this one. Computer game.
Games. Computer
So
game.
what again is your favorite computer game po?
Uh, I don't play computer game.
Mhm.
Just play on my phone.
Okay, so you're using your computer right now, right?
Yes.
So what are your games on your computer right now? Or you don't have any games?
Don't have any game in my computer.
So computer is just for your class and your social media and your do you use your computer for your work matters or not?
Yes, I just uh do the work on my computer,
Mhm.
and sometimes I watch YouTube video or watch
Mo-
film on that.
movie?
Oh, watch movie on that.
Okay. So in Vietnam po, what
Hmm.
do you what are the should we say a hot movie right now in Vietnam or the most watched movie in Vietnam? And
Right now.
where can I watch it? In what site or website? Because I if I'm not mistaken, I know Bilibili. Do you know what is Bilibili? A website where we can access movies. Bilibili, movie
Hmm.
box. Also movie box. Did you try to go to a movie box or you only watch on a Netflix?
Uh, the Vietnamese movie that I prefer.
That you
Um,
can recommend it for me.
yes, I will comment.
So that if I have a free time, I will watch that movie. Is it okay?
Okay. But I don't know that you can find it uh, on the internet because in Vietnam, film is rarely to share public on internet.
Mhm. Is it
Yes,
a love story? Oh, so
if
the title of
mortal.
what is the theme or the story all about? A horror, a love story, a tragedy. What is
Ah,
the okay, so immortal.
yes.
So we also
It's
have a movie.
it's as a horror movie, a
Mm,
love story, and
all
uh, uh,
in
uh,
one.
yes, only one. But I love it. I think it is the best Vietnamese movie that I saw.
Okay, so I will watch it. I will try to find this title.
In Vietnam right now we have the movie um the the movie is Thám Tử Kiên is the same director with Immortal. Yes, and the people love that. It is very hot right now in Vietnam.
Okay, so I hoping that I can find that video. Okay, so here also in the Philippines we have so many hot movies right now, but
Mm.
I think it is accessible because some videos or some movies are only for the Philippines. So sometimes the movies are it takes 5 to 6 years because every day only 1 hour it will be displayed in a television. So after a day,
Mm.
another 1 hour. So it became long to watch. So next one. Let's move
Okay,
on from the this word.
new clothes.
Clothes, new clothes, new clothes. Are you love of buying clothes? Did you
Yeah,
buy
sure.
every month? Is it twice a month, once a month, or every week, once a week? You buy new clothes.
No, not every week. I buy the new clothes when I saw the good item that what I love. Yes, it's not depend on the time. Not depend on in the festival or not. I just go to the mall,
Mhm.
go around, and if I found something I love, I will buy it.
Okay, so
Yes.
also buying clothes right now is very comfortable or very accessible by the use of online shopping, right? So we can
Yes.
shop clothes online. Okay, so for the last one topic, if
Make
this
wishes.
if this is a New Year Eve book, what
Mm.
is your wish? So make a wish. So because the last word that we had to discuss is making wishes. So
Make
if
wishes.
I am giving you a chance to make a wish, what is your wish right now, Po?
I wish I will have a higher paying job.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
But
I wish I have a job that um have a friendly environment that I can have a change to upgrade myself, have a better paying to take care of my myself and my family.
okay, so that is your wish. So your wish is my count. Just kidding. Okay, so also me, Po, I have so many wish. Okay, so I wish that my family or my family, especially soon that I will be getting married 4 to 5 years from now, I wish that my family had a better life. Then my
Mm,
mother and father live for about 50 to 100 years so that I can give back to them, right? So I know po that that is your also that's also your wish that your our mother and father become or live longer
mm,
and longer, right? So for now,
yes.
let's have to make a way to give back what they have also like sending us in the school. So this is our time. Like Pook is already working and teacher Ford is already working. So now it's our time to give back to them, right?
Mm.
Okay,
Yes.
so I think, do you have a question, Pook? Did you learn this session?
Yes.
Okay, so can
Yeah,
you
I like
give
it.
can you give me one lesson that you have learned this day or this night? Can you at least 3 to 5 sentences or a sum up of our topic this night?
Mm. That this night, I think this topic is more uh, um
So what can you say about our topic? Is
is
it
familiar
mhm,
with me, and I love how the way we exchange the culture of Vietnam and Philippines. I have a chance to learn about your culture.
okay?
Yes.
So that's right. So me too,
Yes.
po. I am so very happy that my culture I already or I can share it with you, and same also vice versa. Your culture, I already know some culture of the Vietnamese. Okay,
Mm.
so I think po it's about time. Then we have to end this session. Then let's see again at Monday, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so same time. So that's all po. Bye bye.
Bye. See you.